Hey there everyone, welcome back to Measure and Mix. My name is Jessica and welcome to my channel if you're new. Make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and the notification bell before you leave so you don't miss out on anything new. Today is the day for the Look for Less challenge, which I am co-hosting this month with Yami from the Latina Next Door. And it is the Christmas or holiday themed Look for Less challenge, and I'm really excited to see what everybody has created. If you guys participated in this challenge, make sure to add your videos to the playlist, which I have linked down below in my description box. And if you guys are just here to watch, make sure to click on that playlist and see what everybody else created for their holiday themed Look for Less. So what I did for this challenge was a few different things, but unfortunately, they didn't turn out. So I had to come up with a whole new idea at the last minute, but I did, and I got onto Pottery Barn's website and I found this cute little Santa mailbox, and it is adorable. However, they want $59 for it, and I just think that is an outrageous price for a little Santa mailbox, and I thought I could recreate this for less money. So that is what I did for you guys. So let's take a look and see how I did that. Alright, so I ended up using this little tin mailbox that came from Dollar Tree. It has a little flag that moves up and down and everything, so I thought that this would be perfect to recreate the Pottery Barn one. And then now I'm going to use this Waverly brand chalk paint that comes from Walmart in the color Crimson, and I already had this on hand, so I did not have to go out and purchase this. And it took me about 3 coats of this chalk paint to cover up all the little cutesy characters on the mailbox. And I also made sure that I painted the stem of the flag as well, just so that way it would blend good. And on the 3rd coat of paint, I made sure that I brushed up and down, or up and around over the mailbox to give it the brush strokes the same as like it was online. And then for the top of the flag, it was like glittery on Pottery Barn's website, so I didn't have any silver glitter. So I took this glitter glue that came from Dollar Tree that I've had for a long time now, and I just covered the top part of the flag with that. And it worked out pretty well, except for it did take forever for this to dry because it's pretty thick. But that's okay, it still gave it the same look. I also made sure to cover the lid and the bottom of the mailbox with the red paint, and then I wanted the little feet like the mailbox had on Pottery Barn, so I used my hot glue gun to make 4 little dots on the bottom and 1 on the top of the lid, and then I just covered it in a couple more coats of red paint. Next, I needed to do the lettering on the mailbox, so I printed out the words Santa and mail from my computer onto just a regular piece of paper, and I cut those out, and then I flipped those over and used a pencil to shade the back of that, and then I put the shaded part on the mailbox, and I used the back of a paintbrush to transfer the pencil markings onto the mailbox. And then I took some of the Waverly chalk paint in the color Ivory that I already had, and I went over the lettering. And this was a tedious task. It took me a while because I don't have the most steady of hands, so I had to keep coming back in and filling it in. And then when I made a mistake, I came back in with the red paint and I went over my mistakes. And it actually worked out pretty well. It's not perfect, but I think it looks kind of good. And I did the same thing with the Santa word, and somehow I lost the footage of where I transferred that word onto the mailbox, but I did the same thing as I did with the word mail, and then I just came back in with the paint and painted over it, and then did the same thing when I made a mistake. I used the red paint to fix it. So that was it, guys. This mailbox only cost me $1 to make, which I think is great compared to the $60 that Pottery Barn was asking for. So I hope you liked how it turned out. I think it turned out super cute. cute. Please give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Make sure to check out the playlist down below for everybody else in this challenge. Thank you so much to Yami for letting me co-host this month. Check out her channel also, and I will see you guys next time. Take care. Happy holidays. Bye-bye.